All right, we're here at Stockton now. We're going to the Angel Cruise Park where they sell food, vegetable, different vendors. Very popular for Asian community where they come together and sell food and just a hangout. So they do have a lot of good food here.
Yeah, that's right.
They have different kind of stuff to sell. Hello. Is it spicy or non-spicy?
This one not spicy, this one spicy.
Okay. And how much are they?
$3.
$3. Let me have. Let's see. Hurry. Buy chăng vô lao sausage đấy. Khmer. Oh, okay. Nhâm chăng nhâm vô bay time. Vô muối. Chả thằng. Nó mà mong nè. Cho kiềm đi nhá, cho cha kiềm. Nè. Dạ. Mùi. Trà. Chú cháo luôn mấy?
Nó ngập bay rồi.
Ngập bay vậy? Look how huge these are. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. How much? Look, man. Huh? $10? Wow. Okay. Nhôm tinh bong. Mình nhôm tinh pi nhôm ao lối á, phần nhôm màu với nhá.
Okay.
Ở trong đào pin nằng. Wow, look at the crawfish here, guys. Đi luôn mấy con? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Bây nhom mau vinh. Nhom vô mà lăng.
Okay.
Okay. Dạ, okay. Ooh, wow, look. Wow. Anh đi bọc ấy phu. Anh không bật lò mà anh mình. Nhâm xong pi